Hi everyone! Welcome to today's episode where we explore the science behind changing behavior. Have you ever tried to quit a bad habit like smoking, procrastinating, or excessive screen time but kept falling back into the same cycle? Well, you're not alone. But the good news is, neuroscience offers powerful insights to help us break bad habits and build healthier ones. So, let's dive into the brain and discover how to break free once and for all. Section 1. What is a habit? A habit is a behavior that becomes automatic through repetition. Every time you repeat an action, your brain creates and strengthens a neural pathway for it. Eventually, you do it without thinking. Habits work in a loop. Cue a trigger like stress or boredom. Routine the behavior like smoking or scrolling social media. Reward the satisfaction, temporary relief, or pleasure. This loop is managed by a part of the brain called the basal ganglia, which is heavily involved in habit formation. Section 2. The neuroscience of breaking habits. Here's the truth. You can't completely erase a habit, but you can override it. The brain's ability to change its structure and function over time is called neuroplasticity. Every time you resist a bad habit and choose a better behavior, you're reshaping your brain. Think of it like this. Old neural pathways fade from lack of use, and new ones form and strengthen through repetition. Key brain areas involved: prefrontal cortex, decision-making and self-control; amygdala, emotional memory triggers and cravings; dopamine system, motivation and reward. Breaking a habit means overriding the automatic behavior with conscious effort again and again until it becomes your new normal. Section 3 to 6. Science-backed steps to break a habit. 1. Identify the triggers. Mindfulness to track when and why the habit happens. Ask yourself, what am I feeling before I do this? This activates your prefrontal cortex and brings awareness to an unconscious loop. 2. Interrupt the routine as soon as you feel the urge. Pause. Count to 10. Breathe deeply. Take a walk. This helps reduce impulsive behavior and weakens the habit loop. 3. Replace with a healthy behavior. Don't just remove the habit, replace it. For example, replace nail biting with squeezing a stress ball. Replace junk food with healthy snacks. The brain still gets a reward but from a better routine. 4. Reduce friction. Make the bad habit harder to do. Log out of apps. Don't keep junk food at home. Set phone to grayscale. Temptation equals fewer cues. 5. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself for making the right choice. Track progress. Celebrate small wins. Use habit tracker apps. Dopamine works both ways for good habits too. 6. Be consistent and patterns that fire together, wire together. But this takes time. Research shows it can take 21 to 66 days to build a new habit. Progress may be slow, but your brain is changing every day. Section 4. Final thoughts and motivation. Breaking bad habits isn't about willpower alone. It's about understanding your brain and working with it, not against it. Remember, you are not your habits. Your brain is plastic. It can change. Every small step rewires your mind for the better. So, take control. Make your brain your ally and reshape your future, one habit at a time. Thanks for watching or reading. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more science-backed insights into better living.